what's up, you guys? I'm Claudia Dean. No. I'm kidding. Okay, everyone. I tell you what, I'm scared. As we all know, today I'm going to be doing a hip hop tutorial follow along. So basically, I'm going to be following along to Matt Steffanina. I've never even heard of him. Bless you, Matt. You're great. I've watched so many of your tutorials now, but I hadn't even heard of him before that. And all of you, I asked on my Instagram, I said, okay, who do I follow? And everyone was like, Matt Steffanina, Matt Steffanina. So here I am. Okay. I picked one of his videos that is the most viewed video on his dance tutorial channel, okay? Because obviously I'm not gonna try and follow along to one of his real advanced ones because I've never done hip hop. I'm a ballerina, hello, this is gonna be really scary. So I'm following along to one called Worth It, Fifth Harmony Dance Tutorial at Matt Steffanina. This is just so I can't wait. I think the best thing for me to do is to literally hit play and react and follow. That's what I'm gonna do. How does that sound? Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like. I tell you what, you better all subscribe after this video. I'll put it on big screen. Oh my God, how do I do that? Difficulty.
What's up, guys? It's Matt Steffanina with Dance Tutorials Live, and I'm here to teach you my routine.
Oh, look at those guys go.
Now, if you haven't seen the video yet, go ahead and click the button here. There's some nice chill grooves, but
Intermediate! By the way, guys, in case you're wondering, the reason why I actually am not showing the actual full dance is because of copyright reasons. So I'm copying exactly what he's doing on here because obviously that's all okay with copyright. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. How do they do that? Off to one side. I want to dance. Come on. Let's go. So. Oh, it's like a wiggle. Oh, okay. He's so smooth at it. Pocket. Oh no, we'll be right. Pocket. Really? Oh my God. Okay. 7.
Left, right, left. Then you're gonna tap this right toe in, tap, open your feet and drop, and then come together.
Okay.
So this is going right, a little higher right.
My pigtails are gonna be flying.
Left.
Oh, wait, what?
This is the hard one to go. Tap, open, close. And that tap, open is really fast. Again, 3, 4, this goes 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh well. I just need a breather for a second. This is mentally so hard to learn. It's so funny when you're used to one style, like ballet. I'm just I could pick it up like that, but this, how am I going to remember all this? Wait. Dun, 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 3. Oh my God. Okay, this is the part I don't get. Oh, Whoa, it's coordination. Stay low. Oh, there we go. I think you did a ball change there. It's alright, I'll just do my own version. I'm into it now. Okay, girl. Okay. You know what you have to do? You just have to get into it. You gotta like just forget everything. I actually take my hat off to people that can do this, like can do it like really, really well, because you actually have to like not be concerned about anything. And it's like so interesting because I think a lot of you have like just started ballet or like you're an adult beginner and things like that. And like I can imagine how you feel sometimes because like when you're in or when you're put into something where it's like out of your comfort zone and it's all new for you, like I feel so uncomfortable right now, but I know that if I just like let go of like those concerns and those worries and I'm just going to do it, like I've just got to feel it, you know, like rather than like being, oh, I can't do it. So it's a really interesting thing. It just takes confidence, doesn't it? Okay. 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 Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah, gangster. I won't be able to remember this. Oh yes, I did it! Club. This is actually going to give me so much confidence. Like if I go to like, I don't know, somewhere where I got to dance, I'll be like, yeah, I can dance thanks to Matt Steffanina. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I did that wrong. Ooh. Oh no. Oh geez, Matt. Oh no, Matt, wait, we're moving too fast now, wait. Dun, dun. Oh, I can't do that, whatever. Yes! Let's do it, guys. 6. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. Remember that part? With the club, with the lights on, acting shy for. Oh. Oh. All reps of tempo. Oh my god.
Bring it back, I'ma show me that. Bring it back, bring it back.
This is the part I don't get. Unbelievable. I actually can't believe that. It is so hard, but you know what you have to do? You have to be able to let go. I actually want to tell you all that if there's something you've like always wanted to do, you just have to go and do it. Because seriously, I'm like so out of my comfort zone. And I know that I am like the worst hip hop dancer ever, but I don't even care because I've done it. Woo! With it, with it, with it.